All right, Shiba Inu investors, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys, as always, for coming back here. Is another 40% rise coming for SHIB? We talked about the 17 range. We have yet to get there. We did have a blow off top here this weekend, went to the 15 range. Weekend's not over. I understand that. We could still see some movement. Right now, we're consolidating in the mid 14s, which is good to see. However, are we done yet? Or can we still see a 40% rise? Well, there's an article out there that I want to take you inside. This is a very interesting article here by Coin Edition talking about the potential for another 40% swing to the upside. And there's a couple reasons for that. Number one, Shiba Inu is kind of back on the map. It's back on the brains of many investors. I'm seeing a ton of people comment about it. A lot of people interested. Hey, is it a good time to get in SHIB? Should I be buying now? The answer is obviously you'd like to get in when there was 507, 508 when we were talking about it, months ago. However, we're going to talk about the potential for another 40% rally, and maybe even that rally would take us right up into that 17 range, which we were there back in August not too long ago. Now, let me take you inside here. Don't forget to slap the like button, hit the like button, smash it, whatever you need to do, and subscribe right here to the channel if you're not yet. Subscribe. We're here every single day for you. Shiba Inu may gain 40% against Dogecoin in the coming weeks. Okay, this is the article I wanted to take you inside. So technical indicators for Shiba Inu suggest that another 40% rally could be in store for the crypto versus Doge as Shibarium comes into focus. Now, right along the same time frame as Shibarium, as we're thinking Shibarium news could come out right around the 14th or 15th of February, we're going to get the CPI data. So we got to keep our eyes on all of that as well. Now, on February 4th, the SHIB Doge pair reached 0.0001638 Doge, which is almost a 100% increase in the last 3 months. This comes after it bottomed out at the 50993 Doge, its lowest level on record. Again, this is the SHIB versus Doge pair. This sharp recovery came as investors' focus shifted towards the upcoming launch of Shibarium. This, of course, a Shiba Inu-backed Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum. The price of SHIB gained momentum, and we saw it all the way up into the 15s yesterday while we were live on stream. Several technical indicators currently suggest that the recovery trend is set to continue for SHIB/Doge in the coming weeks. Although SHIB appears to be in a better position to outperform Doge, both cryptos could face headwinds against the dollar this month. Looking at Doge's daily chart, it may experience a small correction versus the dollar in the coming days as a rising wedge pattern has formed. Should the bearish chart pattern play out, the downside target for Doge would be right about 8.5 cents, which is down about 10% from current levels. Meanwhile, SHIB versus USDT is also overstretched on its daily chart with the relative strength index currently on an overbought territory. We did show that on the daily that it is a little bit overbought, but when we look at the hourly, it's very, very even. Okay. In addition to this, SHIB's price is currently facing a strong resistance zone at around that 1517 mark where the pullback is likely. We talked about that zone yesterday. Shout out to T. Hobbs. He mentioned this zone yesterday. Now, if this pullback takes place, February could see SHIB's price drop into the 13s, which has been the most active zone in recent months. This would constitute about a 13 to 20% drop from current price levels. However, if we overtake that 1517 level, look out, because then we could be heading to those August highs that we all want to see. Now, this is the weekly time frame here for SHIB. Let's go into the 1 day. And you can see here, we are a little bit overbought on the RSI, but we're slowly coming back down. Okay, you can see we're up here pretty good. It's still a buy on the indicators from the technical perspective, but this little red candle, to be expected. I just want to see us kind of level off here in the mid 14s, cool down a little bit, have a couple days just trading sideways. Let's get boring for a couple days. We know that's good for the price of SHIB long term. Remember, we had this big burst to start January. Then we consolidated in the 11s. It got boring for a while, right? Nothing doing for about, give or take 10, 12 days. And then all of a sudden, that buy pressure came in, the volume ramped up, and we saw whales and retail investors start buying. I would love to see another pattern like this as we lead up to the Shibarium news. Let's just trade sideways. Let's consolidate. Let's kind of, have the buyers and sellers meet in the middle and then get ready for a next big burst. So could we see another 40% rise in February? We certainly could. A lot of it's going to hinge on the overall cryptocurrency market, CPI data, and the news we get out of the team on Shibarium. That's it. That's the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Appreciate you guys as always. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon, we just had some new members join up this morning and yesterday. We're talking about the markets all the time in our Discord. Love to see you over there. You could test it out, try it out. We'd love to have you over there. Great conversations, great people. I'm learning from a great group over there as well. And we're all in this thing together. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, folks. Take care.